Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw one of the coolest features in Fortnite 10, which is the BRUTE Mech. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this mech, and to begin we're going to start out with the dome shape where the player sits. So we're just going to draw in a very flat dome. This is going to be the top of it. And then from there I'm going to draw in the bottom, so I'm just going to round it off. So it's almost kind of like an almond or an eye shape. Okay, and then once we have that, right on the corner here, I'm going to go out. This would be, I guess, the shoulder part. And then now we're going to draw the full shape of the upper body, so it's going to curve all the way down here. So it's going to be one big curve. Just start here. Just kind of go out a little bit and come back in toward the middle. And then once you draw on this one's a little bit easier because we just kind of try to match this. So just come down. Yeah, I know these smooth curves are very difficult to draw. Okay, so just try your best to get this kind of shape. And then once we have that, the rest is a little bit easier. So we're going to start on the side here. Just taper in toward the middle. Just adding some details. And once you come to this point here, just flare out, and then we'll come back toward the middle. And then right here in the middle, we'll just add one line. And then inside here, just draw two lines coming down, and then just close it off with a little angle. Okay, there's some more details in here, but let's draw that in later. Let's finish up the bottom, kind of like the hip area first. So right here on the side, just gonna come down, come in toward the middle. So that's gonna be the hip area. And then on the side here, just draw like a little rectangle coming out. So just come out and come right around here and close it off. So his legs gonna start over here. Okay, so we're adding the details later. Let's go back up and start doing the shoulders and the arms first. So on his shoulder, he's got these two things coming up. So right in the corner here, we just go straight up, come across, and then we just curve it back down. Just connect that. Just simplify the shape. So right here, just go up, come across, and then just curve it back down right to that point. Alright, so let's start drawing his arms, and let's start on this side. So right on the top of the head, just come across here. We're gonna start all the way up here, and then we're gonna curve it all the way down here. So it's gonna be one big bump. Just go out and just come back in toward the body right around here. Alright, so let's draw the other side first. Top of the head, make a little point, curve all the way down, come back into the body. So that's gonna be his shoulders. And then let's just add one little more detail. Just come down here, and we're gonna draw another curve coming down to that point. Just come out and just come back in a little bit straighter. Alright, so now we're ready to draw the arms and the weapons. So right here, just come down, just close it off. We'll make it nice and easy. And then from here, we just gonna draw, just extend this line. Just draw basically a rectangle. This is gonna be pointed toward us. And then on this rectangle, I think this side shoots the missiles, right? So we're gonna draw two circles, and then the top one right here, draw one more circle inside. Okay, and then for some details, we're just gonna draw two lines, and then up here, let's just add a little rectangle coming out. Maybe back here, flatter one. Just adding some details to make it look more complicated. Alright, so let's draw the other side, and this side I think shoots the shotgun shells, right? So same thing here, just come out and then close it off. And this side is kind of like a rectangle, but I'm gonna make one side rounded. So we're gonna extend that line. I think this is more like a square, so we're just gonna come down like this, and then this side I'm just gonna round it off. Alright, and then right here in the center, just gonna draw one big circle. And then on this side, right up here, I'm gonna draw two more smaller ones. You know, the spacing can be a little bit tricky. Alright, and then once you have those circles, I'm just gonna draw one more inside. And then on the top here, just come up and draw a little rectangle. And let's add two lines in there. And then now we're drawing the little shotgun shells right here. So starting in the middle, here's the middle. So I'm just gonna draw one curve. And then come up here, just draw the same curve on the outside. And then close it off. And in there, I'm just gonna draw bunch of little shells, circles, all the way through. Alright, so we'll leave it like that, and let's move on to his legs. Okay, so his legs a little bit tricky because it's got those extra joints. So I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna go up slightly. And then this side, I'm just gonna come down, just kind of curve it out. On this side here, slant down. And then come down, same slant as this. And then just close it off. Should be going up slightly. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. So same thing here, extend up. This one's gonna curve out slightly. Come across. Then same slant as this. And close it off. Alright, so let's continue on, and this part is a little bit strange. So start about right in the middle of this line right here. Just kind of come down and then just go straight across. And then from this point here, just go up. Okay, and then from this point here, this corner, just go straight down like this. Same slant. So it's gonna be one joint. So now let's draw in the bottom. Right here, start here on the inside, come down. And then I'm gonna go straight across. This is gonna be the bottom of his foot here. Okay, and then from this line here, just kind of go up both sides. Slant it in and then close it off. Okay, and then from this point here, just connect to this corner. And then on this side, just kind of come down right around here. Okay, so it's a little bit strange. So now let's draw on the other side. So here's about the middle of the line right here. Slant down, use the other side for reference. Come across. Okay, connect that. And then here's the corner. Just come down. Okay, and then right here on the bottom, on the inside, just come straight down. And then this one's gonna go straight across. Let's try to draw the same length as this. And then on the corner, slant it up. Close it off. Alright, and then from this corner, go to this corner. And then from this corner, just kind of go in on top of this. Alright, so let's come back up here and finish up the details for the hip and the legs. So let's just start right here in the middle. Just gonna draw 2 lines. And then right here, I'm just gonna draw 2 lines coming in. And then once you have that, just kind of go up. So it's just like a little bar. Okay, and then on the side here, just draw 1 line and then go out. Same slant, and let's go out. And then from the middle here, let's go straight up and just go straight across. So these are just little details. Okay, and then on the foot here, here's the middle. I'm just gonna draw 1 slant, same as this. And then just come over a little bit. I'm gonna draw 1 more slant going up. So from the middle of this, slant. Somewhere around here, just draw another line. So this is like a little, this is actually the center right here. And then if you want to get a little bit more detail right here, just draw right around here, just draw like a little oval. Just trying to make all those joints and stuff. Alright, hopefully it will look a little bit more 3-dimensional. Alright, so we're pretty much done, and let's finish up the details. And I think there's some little laser thing going on here, so I'm just gonna draw a little circle around the side. And again, you can add in little details here and there if you like, just to make it look a little bit cooler. Alright, and then on the torso area right here, I'm gonna draw right around here, just draw like a little, because this part's gonna be black. Okay, so just draw like a really slight curve right here. Okay, and then lastly, there's some little details here, some triangles. So I'm just gonna draw 1 line, draw another one here like this. So come across. So I'm just drawing 2 lines first. And then once you have those lines, just turn them into triangles. So this part's easy. Right, so just go up toward this way. And that is it for this very cool looking mech. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.